Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on the Bitget Crypto Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device. And once you are logged into your account, you will end up within the homepage. From here, in order to change your currency, tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. You will now be taken into the preferences page where you can find your currency option. Tap on the currently chosen currency at the right side, and now you will see the list of all available currencies. Choose your desired currency or search for it using the search box. Once you have found your desired currency, just tap on it and your active currency will be changed right away. Now all of your assets will be shown within the currency that you have chosen. You can change this at any point once again, if you wish, by going back to the gear icon from your account page and then choosing your desired currency once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the Bitget Crypto Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.